Hey, do you know that every month India's garment factories lose crores due to waste and poor planning? But what if simple AI tools could change? Today, I'm diving deep to uncover how technology is rebuilding the backbone of Indian manufacturing. The competition is fierce. Countries like Vietnam and Bangladesh are producing cheaper, faster, and smarter. Can India catch up and even get ahead? Let's catch up. India's garment industry is a global powerhouse employing over 45 million people. But behind that success, there are cracks. Many factories still rely on manual records, outdated machines, and slow approvals. That leads to mistakes, rework, and late deliveries that cost money and clients. Predicting demand is still a guessing game. Overproduction eats profits, stockouts breaks trust. It's clear that old ways can't keep up. Here is the good news, AI is stepping in, and no robots are replacing people, but smart systems that guide them better. Imagine an AI camera scanning your fabric and finding the perfect cutting layouts in seconds, reducing waste by 20%, or a dashboard that predicts a shipping delay before it happens, giving you time to adjust and deliver on schedule. This isn't science fiction. This is already happening in textile hubs like Tirupur and Ludhiana. One Indian manufacturer used AI-powered predictive analytics to track sales data and social media trends. They forecast demand more accurately, cut waste nearly by 25%, and boosted profit without adding new machines. They also introduced AI-powered automation for repetitive tasks, freeing up workers to focus on skilled and creative jobs. The result? Higher output, fewer errors, and happier team. This is the shift India needs. Not working harder, but working smarter. Affordable AI tools are now available on simple cloud subscriptions. And with the government programs like the India AI Mission, adoption is getting easier every month. This isn't about replacing people, it's about giving them superpowers. AI handles the repetition, while humans bring creativity and craftsmanship. AI is no longer a luxury, it's a lifeline for Indian garment MSMEs. By embracing smart tools and data-driven decisions, factories can cut waste, deliver faster, and compete globally. This is how Make in India becomes made with intelligence. If you find this helpful, subscribe for more stories on how AI is transforming India's industries, and tell us in the comments and how you see AI is reshaping your business.